Data validation in Excel is a very useful tool, and I will tell you how it works with a simple example. Here it is a list of student names, and in this C column we need to fill their team names. There are 5 team names as red, blue, yellow, orange and green. Instead of typing the team names, we can use the data validation tool. For that, first we need to select the area where we want to apply data validation. Go to Data tab, select Data Validation in Data Tools. Now Data Validation dialog box open. Here you can select list, and in source you can select the team names. Press OK. Then you will get data in your selected area, and you can select the team names from the drop down list. Now if you want to clear this data validation, again select the area, go to data validation, then you can find out a clear all button, press the clear all button and press OK. Now there is no data validation in your selected area. In data validation, we can put input messages and error alert. For that, you need to go to data validation, select list, and source you need to select the team names. In input message, you can type input message as select team name. Error alert, you can style, you can select the warning sign, and you can type the error message as please select the correct team, and you can press OK. So you will get the test message as select team here, and you can select the teams. And if you are typing a wrong team name, then the warning message is coming, please select the correct name. Press cancel and you can select the correct team name. Hope everyone understood data validation tool with this simple example. Thank you.